Now let's see the key lessons of this hadith. There are 4 key lessons of this hadith. Number 1. Intentions are conditions for the correctness of action. Number 2. If one does not intend something for the sake of Allah, then they are not rewarded for it even if it is the same outwardly action. Number 3. Whoever intends something acts of worship and takes concrete steps but is not able to do the action due to factors outside their control, then they will still be rewarded for the intention. And number 4. Based on intentions, ordinary actions even can become acts of worship. So, these are the 4 key lessons of this hadith. Let's see what these lessons say. Number 1. Intentions are conditions for the correctness of actions. Intentions are always distinguishing between ordinary actions and acts of worship. For example, though Zohar and Asr are both 4 rak'ah, it is the intention which distinguishes between them. Whether I am performing the 4 rak'ah of Zohar Salah or the 4 rak'ah of Asr Salah, it depends on my intention. And my intention is distinguishing in between these 2 Salah, 2 prayers. Number 2. If one does not intend something for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then they are not be rewarded for it even if it is same outwardly action. For example, a person may perform intermittent fasting from Fajr until Maghrib, only intending a physical benefit such as losing weight. They will not be rewarded as somebody who fasts from the Subh Sadiq till the Maghrib for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the difference. Although technically the person who fasted the same period for the purpose of losing weight as prescribed for a voluntary fasting, he would not be rewarded for it because he did not intend to fast for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 3. Whoever intends something and takes concrete steps, whoever intends something good for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, you have intended to perform Hajj and Umrah, or you have intended to perform anything good, and you have taken some steps, but you were not able to do something, to do that action due to factors outside your control, then you will still be rewarded for your intention. What it says, if somebody intended to do Umrah or Hajj and bought a ticket also and made some reservation or took the necessary steps, but still at the end the person was prevented from going to Hajj due to some factors which was out of that person's control, such as debilitating illness, then he will still be rewarded for the intention. And number 4, based on your intentions, your ordinary actions can become acts of worship. For example, all humans need to eat, drink and sleep simply to survive. However, if someone has the intention of eating in order to make his body stronger for worship, like I am taking food just to make myself more stronger so that I can perform prayer